Come on. Yes. I think. Go. Good morning, guys. So after 1 week of chasing cherry blossoms in Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka, it's time to move into my apartment. So I've got these two pieces of luggage sorted out and packed. I've enjoyed my stay here in Kyoto. It's a very nice area, it's quite quiet, and there's still lots of eating places nearby as well. So, you know, it is still very convenient. It's very, very close to Asakusa and Akihabara, and there's a direct line to Shinjuku as well. So it's a very convenient place to be. But alas, I have to say goodbye to this place. It's time to move on to the next stage. See you in my new apartment. And I'm moving to my new apartment. Let me show you around. Okay, so we have a bed, window, balcony, desk, and door. Done. Just kidding, of course. There's a few more things in here. So this is the sort of the corridor, and that's the exit over there. This here is my cupboard. And here is where my bookshelf will be. And here, wrong light, nope, there we go, is the toilet, laundry, and bath in this room here. So it's a reasonably spacious bathroom. There's my kitchen here with the stove, sink, microwave, fridge. I believe this is a shoe locker. Beats me why I have that many shoes. Oh, so this is a shoe locker here. Beats me. Well, we have some extra stuff in there. Anyway, just a few things that we don't have at the moment. There's a LAN there, so we need a Wi-Fi adapter for the phone, and also I need a pillow and of course some hangers to put my clothes. Yeah. What else are we missing here? We probably need some soap. Yep, soap and shampoo. Okay, we need to get some. Okay, we're back in Ginza. We're looking for a shop called Muji, and hopefully they have some pillows there that we can get. So there's Muji across the road there. That's supposedly the flagship store, and that's where we're gonna go. The store itself supposedly means no brand, and that way they sell things that are slightly cheaper than other department stores. And pillows found. I knew those pillows are so many different sizes and textures before though. They're nice and comfy though. I can tell the difference in price. This is an expensive one. I want one of those, but it's out of my price range. Probably something like that. Bit cheaper. So I'm back in Shinjuku. Looking for a Daiso for some hangers and a jug, and also a Yodobashi camera for an internet router. The entrance of Mayoko. Was expecting that. Yep, with the Wi-Fi router section and Yodobashi camera. This is on the second floor, I believe. And there's ones with different speeds. I'm not too sure which is best. Let's just pick one that's reasonably cheap. Okay, we're now looking for Daiso, which I believe is somewhere down this way. So you guys got to try to beat the crowds to get there. I'm in a pinch at the moment because I cannot find Daiso and my phone died. So yeah, just gotta wander until I find it. Okay, the search for Daiso was unfortunately unsuccessful. We're just going back to the apartment and start furnishing it. Alright, we are back. Light. Yes. Okay, so got my Wi-Fi router and the pillow, so let's get started. ended up buying about a 4,000 yen Polonian. It's polyester, I believe. It's quite nice, actually. I was looking into down feather, but I read that down feathers do absorb quite a lot of heat. I do give out quite a lot of heat during my sleep, so that'll be rather uncomfortable. Hopefully this will be better. I am pretty tired from the last few days. I do have a blister on my right foot, so I don't want to be walking too far. I think I do walk more than enough trying to find Daiso today and do my shopping and things. And we do have other plans for tomorrow as well. So let's find somewhere to eat close by. Yeah, I've seen this place around quite a lot in Kyoto as well. I do want to give it a try. I do look like there's some interesting things. Quite a lot of deep fried stuff, but this pork here is catching my eye. It has arrived. So some tofu, mango juice, rice, soup, and stir-fried pork with a whole bunch of weddies for just about $8 or $9, which is not too bad. I must say that is some overcooked pork. The taste is not bad though, but yeah, the texture is not quite there. Oh, I almost forgot one thing before. Done.